Today we have the 2022 Lexus RX. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just over 30,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our apps, information, setup and climate. To the left, we have smartphone integration, audio and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC, our EV mode button. From here we can switch between our different driving modes, eco and sport. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total, all of which are full leather, and get a good view of our sunroof.